click on account, purchases, purchase / receive inventory / payments, a screen would appear subsequently. Now on the screen, note that you have to typically use the supplier invoice number. Where that is not available, you can use the system generated number. Then the date. Also note that you have to select the location where the goods are being received. You also have to select the supplier name. You can search for a supplier name if the list seems endless by typing a few letters of the supplier name, and then you can supply the supplier name as shown. Then you can also select the items concerned. You can either type, if you know the product code. You can also scan the barcode if it has a barcode. You can select as many items as is required here. If you don't also know the product, it doesn't have a barcode, and then you don't know the product name of, you can actually select a few letters by double clicking on the product code column. It gives you a list of the available products, and then you can, if the item has multiple packing types, you can select the desired packing type. You can put in the quantity, but if the item is set as an expired item, as an item that expires, you can put in the expiry date. You can put the buy price. If the buy price changes, there's a prompt on the system that tells you you need to confirm and be sure that you truly want to change the price. You can put the markup, and then putting the markup automatically calculates the new selling price, and then you can repeat this for as many of the items as are required or as have been selected. The buy price. Also note that there is a C.quantity on the screen, and that's the current quantity prior to the entry of this purchase. And then note that the system automatically computes for you the total. You can add other things to it, like the discount, like the transport. Then you can click on the cash bank transaction to indicate how payment has been made. All available payment types are listed for you to just type in the figure in the column that is applicable. In this case we'll just pick credit. Credit means that we are not paying immediately for this purchase. Then once we do that, we click on save. That screen disappears, and then we'll click on the final save. The final save means we are ready to commit the transaction. If you are not sure, or you want to still work on this invoice before we save, you can pen by clicking on pen and then recalling it later. But in this case, we will just click on save, and then once the save button is clicked, which means that we actually want to commit this transaction, the system would prompt us to view what we have saved for us to be sure. Always ensure that you click on the view button to see what you have posted. Then we'll click on view now, and then it gives us the purchase invoice, which is printable or exportable to any desired formats. And that's the end of the purchase process. This can be repeated for as many invoices as we have physically available.